SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to clear Safari history on iPhone 11. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you use the Safari browser on your phone to navigate the internet and to view web pages, then you probably have a decent amount of pages stored in your history, and from time to time you might want to clear that information. To clear your Safari history, you can open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Safari option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again until you find the Clear History and Website Data button. Note that if you get to this point and this Clear History and Website Data button is grayed out, then that means one of two things usually. First is that you don't have any history or website data to clear, which is unlikely, or that you have content and privacy restrictions enabled in screen time. If you want to be able to clear your history but it's grayed out, then you can just go back to Settings, go to Screen Time, and then turn off content and privacy restrictions. You should then be able to come back here, and this menu or this button should be blue like it is now, and then you can tap it to continue. So now that's going to bring up a screen that looks like this. If you would like to delete all of your history, then you can select all history. Otherwise, you can choose one of these other time frames here. If you have open tabs, then you can also tap the button to the right of this to make sure you close those tabs as well. Then once you have all of your settings chosen, you can tap the red Clear History button, and then that's going to delete your history and close tabs if you elected to do so. After you clear your history, this button is probably going to be grayed out until you start using Safari and start building up your history again.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.